Now welcome back to the channel, and today we got a great video for you. I got a young man coming out of Oakland, California to work for free with me and do a ride along just to soak up this free game. Now this is for you guys out there that are making excuses saying it's too hard running a business, I have nowhere to park my vehicle, I can't get no jobs. Let me tell you this young man's story. He has had his vehicle broken into 10 different times. He cannot park his car on the street in Oakland, and I don't know if you know about Oakland, but it's the most dangerous and roughest city in the Bay Area. So what this young man has to do is ride his bicycle 30 minutes to BART, hop on BART, ride another 30 minutes after he gets off BART to a storage place where it's all fenced in to keep his vehicle safe. Now in Oakland, they are known for pulling pistols out and wearing masks and robbing business owners in broad daylight. So make sure you smash this like button, and I'm gonna introduce you to Francisco. So tell him about yourself.
Hey guys, I'm Francisco from Oakland. I'm like you, I've been watching Matt and JoJo for 2-3 years now, and I just decided to jump into the junk game, and it's been great for me. It's giving me a lot of stability, it's giving me more confidence in myself and in what I can do in life. So let's get this money. Here's my truck, I want to show it to you. In 2 years, they've been trying to steal it for 10 times, but they weren't able to because I just put a lot of locks in my truck. I'll show you the one that has always saved my butt all the time. In the brake pedal, it's a U, like a horseshoe lock. Makes it hard to steal it. They have to break all this stuff just to get to it. So they don't want to mess with the truck that they can't stop. This is just for visuals. They cut through this like butter, and they've actually broken it so many times I couldn't count. I had to replace this steering column already twice, and I'm pretty sure it'll happen again, but I'm not gonna let that stop me. I'm just gonna keep going.
So if you're out there making excuses, look at Francisco. He ain't letting nothing stop him. So we're at the first job of the day, and I got this job from a property manager that used us multiple times. And Francisco, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's get it rolling.
We're in Santa Rosa, California, and here's the first pile. We got this stuff that needs to go, and then over here we got some more trash too. We got this over here, a few pavers, which normally I don't take pavers, but we already did $11,000 worth of work over here, so we're definitely gonna take those. And then over there we have some more stuff, so we're about to get to it. Are you ready? Let's do it.
And if you want to see how much money Matt and Francisco make today, make sure you watch the video to the very end.
So the first load is done, and Francisco, what's your prediction of the dump fee on this one right here?
I'm gonna go 100. We'll see where it goes.
100? I'm gonna say 150.
Whew, I'm off. Okay.
So let's see what happens. So the Julio really needs to step his game up. Francisco, what'd you just do?
Got this.
He's cleaning the damn windows, so take some notes, Julio. You see that? That's a good employee right there. You're hired for real. So check it out, Francisco. I won. It was 203. 2,680 pounds. And this is why I charge more money whenever it's a heavy job.
It's gotta do it.
You got to do it. So now we're heading to the next job, and I told Francisco it's time to get cracked out. And he looked at me hella crazy, like, I gotta get out of the car. Nah, Francisco, not like that. We don't do drugs here. It's time to get cracked out off the bang. So what'd you do before junk removal?
I sold houses as a real estate agent
For how long?
since 2009. I still have the license. I even got my brokers this year. I'll keep doing it, but it's junk removal where it's at. It comes fast, same day you get paid, or the next day. It's up to you. With real estate, it was 3 months out, if I got lucky.
If you got lucky. So you like that same day getting paid type of work.
Absolutely.
So make sure you guys smash that like button, and we're heading to the next job.
Yes.
And it's for a repeat customer.
Not bad. Love those.
So let's head on out.
Let's get it.
So Francisco has the tip of the day. And what is it, Francisco?
Always have your head on a swivel whenever you're at the dump or at the scrap yard. Yesterday, I almost got my legs chopped off by a loader that was backing out, and some of the metal behind me was dragging up to me. I got lucky that the guy working there gave me a heads up, and I jumped out of the way. It was crazy.
That could have been a really bad day.
I wouldn't be here today if that went bad yesterday.
And that's the tip of the day. Always keep your head on a swivel. So we're at the next job of the day, and all this trash right here goes. And something you definitely want to do is turn every customer into a repeat customer. It's like this: if a customer likes you and trusts you, they'll never shop around and always call you and use you for your service. So Julio, you know the only reason why Francisco came to work with me was he said he wanted to take your job. Ain't that right, Francisco?
No, what a night for you.
So Julio, you need to step your game up, brother. Now, people ask us all the time, who can do a website for me? If you're having trouble getting a website done, I know a lady that can do it, and I'll leave a link in the description down below. Now, just like that job is complete, and how was that?
And we got it through. 2 refrigerators, tons of electronics, lots of waste, and we kicked ass.
We did kick ass. Now, what's your prediction of the dump fee on this one back here?
I'm gonna say 150 this time.
150? I'm gonna say 139.
Okay.
Now tell me, Francisco, what have you learned so far with me?
Feed your Google My Business. Every day that you do something with posts, update it. I learned other stuff. I don't want to give you guys all the tips. I'll let him do that. I'm gonna take it home.
So we're going to the landfill. We're going to West Coast Metals first to dump this metal off. Then we're going to the landfill in Hillsburg, California. Then we gotta pick up 30 mattresses.
Yeah, 30. It's gonna fit in here?
We gonna fit 30 mattresses in here. We'll find out.
All right then.
So let's head on out. Let's go.
being organized and scheduling jobs, check out Workies. We have a link in the description down below. We use it and it works great for us.
Now guess who won again? You know I can't let the rookie win. It came out to 130. And how you liking it so far?
Hey, this is the best trip. It's even better than John Con. Just kidding, Lee. Love you guys and learning so much. Let's keep doing this again. Maybe next year I can come back again.
Yeah.
See where I'm at.
I love free labor. Nah, he's getting paid today. I ain't doing him that dirty.
Some tacos.
Some tacos. Paying him with tacos. That works.
Absolutely.
So are you ready for your paycheck?
Yeah, taco time. We're gonna get 10 tacos right here.
10 tacos right here. We're gonna split them then, 'cause I'm a cheap ass.
4 for me, 6 for you?
Hell yeah, I like that. So now it's El Luncho. And I gave Francisco some homework. I told him when he gets home, he has to step his Facebook game up. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna add yourself to a bunch of yard sale groups and sell now groups?
Absolutely. Go to the group section, get into their groups, and just keep posting every other day. Bam.
Every other day consistently. And that will bring you a lot of business. That's how I built my business, off Facebook and Google My Business really is where I get most of my business.
Okay.
So how those tacos look?
They smell good, they look good. Thank you. This is my payday.
This is his payday right here. This is how he's getting paid today. So,
No
yeah.
money, but tacos.
It's a win-win situation for both of us. He's learning and I'm getting free labor. Can't beat that.
Trading muscle for muscle.
So here's the next job, and the goal is to fit all these mattresses in that dump truck. And the best part about this job is we can pull right up to it. So job is complete. It took about what, 10 minutes?
Absolutely.
Some easy damn money, and we're going to Vallejo, California, which I never been there because it's cheaper there to dump mattresses than out here in Sonoma County. They just charge us for the dump fee, just for the weight.
Not bad.
So something I want you subscribers to do is go check out Francisco's website and draw some traffic there. What's your website?
My website is resetadvantagehauling.com.
So go check him out and help him out. And yeah. Now what's your prediction of the dump fee on this one right here?
For this one, I was to say $100.
$100? He's way off. I'm gonna say $44.
I'm way off.
You're way off. So let's see what happens. Now leave a comment down below. What you guys think I charged on that job? This job back here. One full load of a bunch of mattresses. Leave it in the comments down below. Now we're heading to Vallejo. So check out the Vallejo landfill. Ain't no one here. What the hell? Thought y'all out there getting money today. It's actually a nice landfill. You ready or what? Let's open them doors. Let's do it. So in Sonoma County, them 30 mattresses would have cost us $1,500. But out here in Vallejo, we got the plug. So we'll find out how much it costs. I'm still thinking around 40 bucks. You want to change your bet at all?
I'll go 40
You going 40?
minimum.
He's doing the same bet as me. I'm gonna say 39 now. So let's see what happens. So guess who won? Francisco won, and he's saving the dump receipt to hang on his wall at the house. It was $42.
We'll frame it and keep it as good luck.
Today was a good day, wasn't it?
It's a great day.
So now we're heading back to Sonoma County, and I like Vallejo dumps. Now, just like that, we're done for the day. And you're probably wondering, Matt, how much money did you make? We made over $2,500 and some change.
Woo, holla at me.
How was it?
It was great. It was easy. Let's do it again.
That's what I'm talking about, getting that free labor in. So make sure you guys smash that like button, and we love all you guys.